Want to know a simple way to earn $50 per day online? This method is very simple, and all you will need is a website. What type of website, you may be asking? Any type of website, as long as you can monetize it. The vast majority of regular people like you and me who are making thousands of dollars per day online are making their money from advertising. More specifically, AdSense. AdSense is a form of advertising in which advertisers pay Google to display ads throughout their vast network of online properties. Google then uses your content to place those ads, and by doing so, Google shares a percentage of the money they make from advertisers to you, the content owner. The number one problem with Google AdSense is that Google is very selective and will only partner with about 10% of content owners. That leaves 90% of content owners out in the cold. There are many other ad networks besides Google AdSense, but most of them are even more selective than Google, resulting in most content owners unable to earn income from their content. Fear not. This is your opportunity to earn $50 per day online without having to bend over backwards to the big guys. This opportunity is free to join and simple to implement. Also, you can add as many websites to their system as you wish. Depending on the quality of your website, you only start out making a few dollars per day. Some websites on their network are only making $5 per day, but if you have 5 websites each, earning you $5 per day, that's $750 per month in passive income. The average income of website owners who use this monetizing network is around $50 per day or $1,500 per month. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description below to sign up and start generating income now.